Hello everyone, if you want to create a simple design with Canva, then we will need to open this Canva app and custom the design. Then you will be need upload this photo. Now I am trying to upload this photo because I had created this image. Now I am open the gallery with Canva and upload this photo. This is my YouTube channel cover photo, a digital pro tips. This is my YouTube channel name, and this is a cover photo of my YouTube channel. I am trying to change the background color. If you want to change, if you want to need the change background color, then you will be touch on color icon and you can change the background color very easily. This is perfect color for this photo. If you will need this design, you can create a design with Canva very easily. I customize this photo with Canva.